The oil in the CoreDryPRO must be changed every 80 hours of runtime. A prompt will appear on the screen when the next oil change is recommended. Follow these steps to change the oil. First, turn the on-off switch to the off position. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, then position the unit such that the oil drain nozzle on the back hangs over the edge of a table. Place a container underneath the drain nozzle and a 2 to 3 inch block or book under the front of the unit to tilt the unit toward the rear. Open the drain valve to allow the oil to drain into the container. Once the oil is drained, close the drain valve. Remove the 2 to 3 inch block from underneath the unit, remove the 4 screws on the corners of the back plate, and flip the hood up using the handle on the top rear. Use a funnel to refill the pump to 2/3 to 3/4 full by viewing the level in the pump view window. Replace the fill cap. Be sure that you do not over-tighten the fill cap. Once the oil has been changed, go to the menu and reset the oil change timer. Caution: please dispose of the oil in a responsible manner. Always discard the oil at certified disposal facilities. Only use high-quality synthetic vacuum oil. Vacuum pump oil can be obtained by calling InstroTek at 919-875-8371. The InstroTek part number is 419.0005.